Look for the silver lining in the cloud to overcome hardship. We hope you're reading this at a good time in your life. Everybody deserves to have a carefree existence, but that's not the normal order of things for us humans. We work very hard to enjoy a positive life experience. Even so, a perfectly enjoyable life every minute of every day just isn't in the cards for anyone. You're going to fail and experience sorrow. We all do. There will be experiences that make you wish you could travel back in a time machine and start all over. The angst, uncertainty, and hormonal upheaval of puberty is something many people wish they wouldn't have to have experienced. Adulthood isn't any easier. Regardless of your age, you probably have more than one regrettable experience or hardship you wish wasn't a part of your history. In the most difficult of times, you might have had to deal with extended hardship. Sometimes you can look back on an entire year and wonder how you're going to recover from it. You might have suffered substantial loss financially, in your relationships, or with your health. As we get older, we're all reminded that we're not as bulletproof and invincible as we thought we were when we were young. Our bodies get older, we're prone to sickness and disease, and this can wreck our health and financial status. Whatever negative life experience you're trying to put behind you, remember this: an oyster turns sand into a pearl. Oysters don't like sand, but since oysters live on ocean floors, they're going to encounter sand. When as little as a single grain of sand enters an oyster's shell, a substance called nacre is secreted to deal with the aggravating intruder. This is how oysters produce pearls, turning a negative experience into a valuable and beautiful jewel. You can do the same thing, and to be clear, we don't expect you to start eating sand anytime soon. What we mean is that you should always look for something positive and wonderful when life hands you hardship. This is especially the case when you have to endure a year or more of a difficulty or setback. How can you turn your tough time into a positive influence? You can certainly learn some valuable lessons. Even if what happened occurred through no fault of your own, you can find something positive to take away from it. Looking for the positives in a negative situation can help you bounce back from a tough time. It also prepares you to look on the bright side in the future. And that's always good advice.